Am I audible now? Can you hear me now? Alright, so my bias is still bullish for Euro USD. Let me tell you why. So अगर हम daily पर देखें, I don't usually look at the daily time frame. So I just start with the hourly time frame most of the time. So तुम अगर hourly पे देखोगे, until if it doesn't flip, so हमारी फेवर में रहेगा तब तक. So let's see, अगर हमारा जो 11:30 की कैंडल है, I just mark the highs and lows of this candle because this is a very crucial candle. इसके बाद हमारा kill zone बनता है. So जो हमारी अभी की कैंडल है, that is forming, this is the time of kill zone, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. in New York time हमारा kill zone होता है. So that's why I prefer taking entries after 12:30. So that is one of the reason. And this plus मैं देखती हूँ highs and lows of the Asian range. So if you see the Asian range highs and lows, अगर वहाँ की liquidity swept हुई है, so that is a high probability trade. अगर मेरा यहाँ का अगर मेरा इसकी liquidity sweep होके अंदर range के अंदर closing होती and I get the good market structure towards the buy side, that could be a plus setup for me. And plus जो इसमें पहला फेयर वाली का फॉर्म होता है, फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड एफवीजी ड्यूरिंग द किल जोन in London session, that is very powerful. So I prefer taking trades on the basis of that. With the buys, liquidity sweep, and the market structure, plus we get the good fair value gap. तो उसके बेसिस पे आई मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम टेक माई एंट्रीज. सो मेरा टारगेट इज ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड. अगर तुम देखोगे मेरा टारगेट हर एक ट्रेड्स, तुम अगर उस पर देखोगे ना फ्री एनालिसिस के चैनल पे, तो सारे ट्रेड्स में मेरा 20 पिप का टीपी होता है. वाई? देयर इज अ रीजन उसके बिहाइंड. क्योंकि मेरी अगर आप यूरो यूएसडी की बैक टेस्टिंग करोगे कभी, तो उसकी एवरेज मूवमेंट आती है 20 पिप्स की. सो 20 पिप्स इज द एवरेज मूवमेंट कि वो दे देता है 20, 25, 30 समथिंग लाइक दैट on the basis of जो भी आपका bias है. So that's how I plan my trades. So whatever TP or SL हम आज लेंगे, if it is TP or SL whatever. But if you see the 1 hour is about to be flipped, let's see. Hello, hi Shaika. Let's see, I'm unable to turn on my camera. I don't know, there's some problem in my OBS. Sometimes it's just do like that. Ma'am, is trade on? Yes, the trade is on. It's already activated. So मैंने अपनी buy limit यहाँ पे लगाई थी somewhere right over here. So it's already on. If it come back, then if you're planning to buy, then only if it comes back right over here, then only plan to buy, because hourly already has been flipped, so there's no point to take entry right now. I'm in GBP USD trade with entry around 1.34994 level, and SL is around 1.33769 level, and the target is 1:1. Let's see. Are you in the bearish or bullish trade with GBP? Let's see if we can sustain in this trade. Bullish. I feel like जो movement दे रहा है ना आजकल यूरो यूएसडी so bad. I don't know. This last week was super bad for यूरो यूएसडी. मतलब इतनी गंदी मूवमेंट करी है यूरो यूएसडी ने. Let's see. अभी तो फिलहाल I feel like we are getting a stop loss. Hello, hi crypto millionaire. How are you? आई फील मुझे ही लग रहा है कि करेंसीज थोड़ी खराब मूव कर रही है या फिर एवरीवन थिंक्स लाइक दैट. Shift to some other pair like GBP USD and USD JPY. नहीं यार, it's not about shifting on the another pair. Every pair is moving like that only, I feel, at this particular moment. I don't know, it's like because of the geopolitical situations, but things are like that. GBP USD, let's see GBP USD, तुम buy में हो ना? GB is also dumping. If Euro will dump, so GB will also dump because they are kind of similar. You told that your entry is on around 1.34994, 1.34994. 994 here. And your stop loss was 1.33769. Isn't your stop loss a little bit too big? 3379. 33769. So it's a little big SL. Hey, the market has given the MSS, but the market is already overbought and can't see buy from here. We'll look for the buys around 1.16010. 1.16010. 1.16010. Um, let's see. I mean, this was the setup that I was about to take. The point is यार पता क्या बाइस इज ऑलवेज सब्जेक्टिव इन नेचर. तो अगर सब्जेक्टिव कोई चीज़ है तो इट विल ऑलवेज बी वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर एवरीबडी, है ना? तो मेरा वही है, आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन द प्रोबेबिलिटीज प्लस वी आर हैविंग जो प्रोबेबिलिटीज के साथ अगर तुम कंबाइन करोगे कि तुम्हारा सेटअप बहुत ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्टिव बने, तो दैट इज़ वेरी इजी टू फॉलो ऑल्सो. एंड आप उसको मैकेनिकल बना सकते हो. क्योंकि ट्रेडिंग अगर तुम देखो ना, ट्रेडिंग का क्या पॉइंट है, ऑल ओवर ट्रेडिंग हम क्यों करना चाहते हैं? बिकॉज टू सेव आर टाइम. हमें फाइनेंशियल फ्री हो, हम हमारे पास बहुत टाइम हो कुछ और चीज़ें करने का. सो दैट इज़ द होल पॉइंट ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. अब आई फील कि तुम तुम्हें इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाना चाहिए अगर तुम कोई भी एंट्री प्लान कर रहे हो. तो मैं दो मुझे बेयरली 3-4 मिनट लगते हैं अपनी एंट्री प्लान करने में। क्यों? क्योंकि मेरी एंट्री पूरी मैकेनिकल है। आई नो कि मुझे ये देखना है, ये देखना है, ये देखना है, एंड आई हैव टू टेक अ ट्रेड ऑन दैट बेसिस। तो इतना एनालिसिस आई फील हम करेंगे तो हमारा वो है कि वो सब्जेक्टिविटी, हाँ आप सबका अपना अपना नेचर होता है, बट आई फील अगर तुम ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्टिविटी पे फोकस करो कि प्रोबेबिलिटीज प्लस ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, सो मैं सबको यही बोलती हूँ कि ऐसी चीज़ों पे फोकस करो कि भाई सबको दिख रहा है, जो चीज़ सब फॉलो कर सके, और तुम्हें इतना टाइम ही ना लगे एंट्री अपनी डिसाइड करने में। चाहे एस एल या टी पी, तुम्हें पता है कि यार अगर तुम्हारी एंट्री की प्रोबेबिलिटीज बहुत हाई हैं, तो देन यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट। If the SL is small, considering the volatility these days, it will not be possible to stay in more than without a big SL. That's also true, yaar. Matlab, the volatility is, I think today the volatility is high a bit. So it's better to put your SL away a little bit and take less risk, I feel. And here I am, aap sabka favorite, here in the chat. Hi Nitin, how are you? We were calling you, everybody was missing you on the other day. On Saturday, we had a voice chat. So everybody was calling you. Where is Nathan? And I tagged also you in the chat. Daily already took the liquidity of the Friday scandal also. 4 hour is about to flip tomorrow, matlab it's high probability that our SL will be gone. So that's not an issue. कोई बात नहीं. We'll take the stop loss. फिर मुझे आई नीड टू फिक्स माई OBS, पता नहीं क्या है, कभी आई कैन टर्न ऑन माई कैमरा, कभी ऑफ हो जाता है। I was not doing well since Friday night. Throat infection along with a fever, which turned out was, oh my god. Take care and avoid trading during these days. Are you good now? If it flipped, then it directly gonna tap this area right over here. And then we can see more up move. I'm bullish here. Yeah, I mean, my bias was bullish, but again, we see 1 hour and 4 hour already been flipping, so it might retrace down a bit more down and then can give us the bull move. So for my new viewers, मतलब जो भी नए लोग हैं, that I usually trade Euro USD on my live stream every day, and I trade during 12:30 से 1:30 around, yeah, 12:30 या 1:30 around, and I basically trade in kill zone time, because I believe that जो हमारा यूरो यूएसडी का बिहेवियर है एंड मूवमेंट है, तो दैट मेक्स हाइज एंड लोज ऑफ द डे ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम। I'm in gold since Friday and made a decent amount, enough covering 2 months of my salary. You are a pro trader. That's good यार. Nice. मतलब हमारी चैट में सारे प्रो ट्रेडर्स भरे हुए हैं. Hi Sana, how are you doing? I'm good. How are you? अगर we can get a reflip of this candle, then yeah, then might we could have saved this SL. Can you explain your concept of objectivity? यार I feel जो objectivity चीज objective क्या होता है? Objective is the thing that is can be analyzed by everyone. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर तुम यहाँ पे कोई फेयर वाली गैप देखते हो, ठीक है, तो ये वाला फेयर वाली गैप मेरे लिए भी सेम है, तुम्हारे लिए भी सेम है, सबके लिए सेम रहेगा. सो मेरा कंसेप्ट ऐसा है कि जो चीज डिफरेंट ना हो, कि बायस अगर यूरो यूएसडी में मेरा बाय है और किसी का सेल है, तो एक वो सब्जेक्टिविटी आ जाती है. सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस भी एक सब्जेक्टिव नेचर में आ जाता है कि सबके लिए डिफरेंट सपोर्ट, अगर ये मेरे लिए सपोर्ट है तो किसी के लिए कुछ और सपोर्ट हो सकता है ना. तो दैट इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव और बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग रहता है वो चीज़ सबके लिए. तो मेरा मेरा काफ़ी सिंपल प्रोसेस है. ऑब्जेक्टिविटी के बेसिस पे मैं अपना ट्रेड लेती हूँ, द फेयर वाली गैप बेसिस, जो हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर्म होता है इन द लंदन किल जोन. तो लंदन किल जोन का जो पहला फेयर वैल्यू गैप होता है, आई बिलीव लंदन किल जोन का जो पहला फेयर वैल्यू गैप ऑलमोस्ट 12:30 के बाद फॉर्म होता है, तो आई बिलीव दैट इज द हाईएस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी, राइट. तो एंड दैट इज ट्रेडेबल बाय एवरीवन, तो वो चेंज नहीं होने वाला, एंड द बाइस आई टेक ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 1 आवर. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस. तो अगर तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारी एंट्री, मेरे को सिर्फ 2-3 मिनट लगता है अपनी एंट्री लेने में, आई नो वेदर आई हैव टू बाय और सेल आफ्टर 12:30. सो इतना ही टाइम लगना चाहिए टू डिसाइड योर एंट्री ऑल्सो. एनी ट्रेड, आई एक्चुअली टुक दिस पोजिशन राइट ओवर हियर. ये वाला ट्रेड मैंने लिया था अभी. सो लेट्स सी अगर वी कैन सस्टेन मे बी इन दिस ट्रेड, but then it has to close above this area somewhere. Considering 1 hour and 4 hour जो already flip हो चुकी है, so a little bit now the bias could be bearish, but let's see again. 4700 and I'll exit gold. 80% already booked. Nice. You're in the buys, right? And now I didn't saw gold what it's doing. I'm in bearish on you and you since money is flowing into gold. Yeah, I mean if you will dump you, if you dumps you will also dump. Let's see. Look at this gap. On 15 it's consolidating. But I suppose it should fill this gap right over here. Let's see. And a lot of people were asking ki Quantical, does Quantical give payout? So that is what I'm testing on Quantical right now. So agar if I get any kind of payout from Quantical, I'm gonna update you on my Discord channel only, either in the community section or in the challenge section. If we manage to close above this area, then we are good again. Let's see. Let's wait. In Euro, we have 78% people saying buy and 22% people saying sell. Let's see, how was your weekend? My weekend was excellent actually. I took a good amount of rest and yeah. How about you guys? How was your weekend? I did backtested a lot. That's good. Utilizing weekend nicely. Might we consolidate for now? Let's see. Can we talk in person? I trade for 14 years. Of course. So we have two people who trade since 14, 15 years. Nice. If you get saved in Euro, I will get saved in GBP USD. Then let's pray if we get saved in both of them. But I think if you get saved in GBP, I will get saved in Euro because GBP will give the move first. What did you say? Where is your SL? You said your SL is somewhere. But no, I think you will be saved because तुम्हारा SL बहुत ऊपर है. So नहीं एक मिनट तुम्हारा SL था 1.1.33769 769 here. Where are you from and how many years you trade? I am from north part of India, and like in Forex, it's been around 2.5 years, something like that. Earlier, I used to trade crypto, and then I used to trade Indian markets. So, but in Forex, it's been like 2.5 years almost. You can just DM me in my Discord, whatever you want to ask. Let's see. Sanya, but we have really good sessions and insightful. Thank you so much. So never get bored. Exactly, that's the point of streaming live. But also, it's good to talk to you guys and have a healthy discussion over everything. So it's always two ways. Let's see, let's see. We have Asian lows liquidity right over here. The Discord link is expired. Oh, okay, okay. I thought you were already in my Discord channel. I will show you just now. GP is trying for bullish flip, look like some hope of incoming for bullish people like us. Might be अगर ये 1 hour हमारी 1 hour and 4 hour flip reflip हो जाती है, so we can hope for that. But just इसने euro ने on a daily basis, it already took the liquidity of the Fridays, so that is a little bit concerning. Okay, 1 hour अभी open हुई है ना, so let's see. Because देखो ये half wick तो फिल for sure करने आएगी. At least it will fill half wick. कितनी बड़ी wick है ये? Almost 13 12. So almost you can see 6 pips, 6 pips right over here. तो यहाँ तक तो movement आ ही जाएगा. So अगर if it manages to close above this area, तो then we can think हाँ हमारा trade bullish में और जा सकता है. Even let's see on GBP. Let's see. अगर हमारी 4 आवर रीफ्लिप हो जाती है then it's good. Sanya, did you go to the Shark Fund trading competition? Did you get the invite there? I saw many Instagram ads for that, and top traders of our community like Bobby Sir is there. No, I don't think so. I'm going over there, but definitely I will be going in the event that is happening called Traders Land in February. So I did not go to that competition, but I will go to some another event. I see Sparsh in the section. Hi Sparsh, how are you? Yes, by Traders Land. Yes, yes, exactly. That one. It's almost in Feb, I suppose. And TFL. TFL is happening in Jan 27th till 31st. So it is hosting in like Masuri, so we're gonna go over there too. So I think there's very less probability that in Euro we're gonna be saved. देखते हैं, let's see. Few pips and we're gonna hit the stop loss. This is the liquidity that is about to hunt. Maybe tap on this or then can reverse. So for today we are already stopped out, I say. Don't trade forex pairs, just trade US 30, D30 and gold, BTC USD and Tesla stocks. Which broker you use to trade? I use e-markets. I trade forex because I like trading Euro USD. I think it just go with me. So I trade US 30 also. I used to trade BTC too, and I left trading gold. So because I found my edge in forex, so that's why I prefer trading forex. We are stopped out chat today. Stopped out. Now the first liquidity that we are having right away is here. Asian lows. I think in GBP you are also stopped, no? Or you're saved? No, you have still left. Your order never goes to the liquidity pool. Check first which broker is true ECN there for your book broker. But mostly, I prefer funded accounts instead of live trading accounts. But in live trading accounts, I don't pull like buy limits or sell limits because of the thing like that. So I do it manually on that. Why Forex not? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Most probably now it's gonna go and take the Asian lows right over here and tap to this area furthermore to almost from here 20 pips almost, yeah. Your win rate and minimum risk to reward for each trade. My total win rate is 50% around, and my risk to reward is more than 1 ratio 2. It's probably like that, more than 1 ratio 2. So my stop loss is basically average stop loss is 8 pips, and my TP is always like 20 pips. So it depends upon the trade what I'm taking. Now it depends upon the daily candle closing. Let's see. We though it already grabbed the liquidity clearly because this candle took the liquidity and closed within the range, Asian range. And most probably now it's gonna take the liquidity of the lows right over here and again tap the imbalance right this over here. So almost 20 pip move, more than 20 pip move. So alright guys, this is for today. It's already been 1:43 and we got the stop loss for today. Let's see tomorrow, same time 12:30 to 1:30 I'm gonna trade and let's hope for the best. Baki, what do you saying? You have courage of saying you have courage of says trading can make you billionaire. Um, no, when did I said that? I think we are off the topic for now. GP is trying hard to bullish in GBP USD. Exactly. But अगर इसने ये वाला fair value gap it closes above this fair value gap and sustains, then we are good in GBP USD. So keep an eye on this. But if it again rejects from this area and again get the closing below this range, then again your stop losses might be gone. checked DAX 30 for trading this time. So how will it relate like with the thing that I'm trading right now? Alright, guys. So it's already been time of the live stream to end. It's been already 1:46. So this is it for today. One trade a day for the Euro USD. That's all I take in the London session. Let's see you tomorrow. Same time, 12:30, say 1:30. And I hope you guys come and we'll trade whatever together. So if you wanna ask anything or if you wanna ask any questions, you can just put in the community chat and we can discuss it out. What is it? That's all. See you tomorrow. Thank you.